Good morning, children. Let us continue with the lesson now. Already in the previous class, you have learnt about Nigeria, isn't it? About the location and the area, dimension, everything. And that all comes to different places like north, south, east, and all those things. So now let us continue with that. We will see about the climate. Before that, here they have given here. Did you know the drill monkey is found only in the wild in southeast Nigeria and neighboring Cameroon? So already you have learned, I have seen that in the map, isn't it? Where is Cameroon? No, it is in the east part. So you can see that. So there is a monkey called the drill monkey. You can see here. The figure is given here. Now, climate. Nigeria has a tropical climate as it is situated just above the equator. So where is it? It is just situated above the equator. Equator is the central point, already I have told you. So Nigeria has a tropical climate as it is situated just above the equator. Means tropical means it is hot. Hot it is. It is characterized by hot summers and warm winters. See, even winter is also warm there. Why? Because it is near the equator region, wherein the sun rays will directly fall. So what happens? It will be hot. So that is what they are given here. We will see Nigeria has a tropical climate as it is situated just above the equator. It is characterized by hot summers. Summer is very hot. And warm winters. Even winter is also warm. It's not hot, it is warm. Normally winter means it should be cold, isn't it? But here winter is warm winter. The southern part gets convectional rainfall throughout the year. So the rainfall they get throughout the year. It is about 60 to 80 inches. So high it is. 60 to 80 inches per year. Per year, what is the rainfall? It is about 60 to 80 inches. The far north has a desert-like climate as it emerges into the Sahara Desert. Already you know about the Sahara Desert. So the far north part is where almost in the desert. So you definitely feel the hot climatic condition there. So you can see the rainfall is less than 20 inches per year. What about the rainfall here? It will be 20 inches, less than 20 inches per year. The central part of Nigeria receives between 20 to 60 inches of rainfall per year. The central part of Nigeria receives between 20 to 60 inches of rainfall per year. So you can see here, convectional rainfall throughout the year means every time throughout the year there will be rainfall. And what they have said, it is about 60 to 80 inches per year. The far north has a desert-like climate because already Sahara Desert, you know. So the far north has a desert-like climate as it emerges into the Sahara Desert. The rainfall is less than 20 inches per year. The central part of Nigeria receives between 20 to 60 inches of rainfall per year. So now let us see about the natural vegetation. So what about the different types of plants we see there? Natural vegetation. Evergreen forests are found in the southern part of Nigeria where the rainfall is high. So wherever there is rainfall, throughout the year rainfall means there what happens? There will be green vegetation. Because normally what happens? Plants and trees grow very well there as there is presence of rainfall. So what is said here? Evergreen forest means throughout the year you see green forest. Understood? Plants and animals will be growing always because of rainfall. So evergreen forests are found in the southern part of Nigeria where the rainfall is high. They are the habitat for wild animals. Definitely you know that if there is more and more vegetation or plants, you see more types of animals also living in that place, isn't it? So they give a shelter for so many wild animals. There is one fly, a special type of fly called sese. Here T is silent. So sese flies are a menace here. So you find more amount of this sese flies. They are given the figure, you can see that. The tropical evergreen forests emerge into the savanna grassland. You know about the grasslands already you have learned. So the tropical evergreen forest is merging where? Into the savanna grassland. Big grasses will be there. Tall grasses will start growing there. So grasses and flowering plants are found in between scattered trees. So you see trees, in between trees what will be there? There will be grasses also growing. Further north as the rainfall becomes scantier, thorny bushes are seen. Where there is less rainfall, scanty rainfall means less rainfall. There what you see thorny plants growing. So thorny plants because they don't, they check this evaporation of or transpiration. Transpiration means evaporation of water from the plants, we call it as transpiration. So all that will be checked by because the rainfall is less in that area. So there you see thorny plants growing or thorny bushes are seen. Coming to agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation of the Nigerians with 60% of the people being engaged in it. So agriculture, the main occupation of these people in Nigeria is agriculture. And with 60% of the people being engaged in it, 60% of the people are farmers there. They are engaged in agriculture. Their food crops are cassava, tapioca. This picture I will show you later. And these are all actually this tapioca. Tapioca in Maraganas, you will say Maraganas, no, that is only tapioca. Just like that is called this cassava. So it is also a gadde. Okay, Genesis. So their food crops are cassava, tapioca, maize, millets, paddy and beans. Commercial crops like cocoa, especially you eat no chocolates, in that cocoa will be present. Okay, so cocoa, groundnuts, cotton, tobacco and palms are exported. So you can see varieties of plants growing here in this climatic condition. Why? Because they have got more rainfall, isn't it? So what are the types of plants here? Commercial crops means which is used for business purpose. Okay, they earn money for the country. So what are those crops? Cocoa, especially chocolates, what you call this spice tarts and other things you will get now, black chocolates. In that there will be presence of cocoa, groundnuts, peanuts, cotton, tobacco, tobacco, what you call tobacco is tobacco, and palms are exported. Cattle and sheep rearing are practiced in the grassland. So when there is presence of grass, what will happen? Cattle will be there and sheep will be there. So cattle and sheep rearing are practiced in the grasslands. So mineral resources. The chief minerals found here are natural gas, coal, bauxite, gold, tin, iron ore, limestone, lead and zinc. So these are all the mineral resources. Okay, which one? Natural gas is there, coal, bauxite, gold, tin, iron ore, limestone, lead and zinc. Coming to industries, Nigeria is the 12th largest producer of petroleum. So 12th largest producer of petroleum. The presence of natural gas, coal, bauxite, iron ore, etc. has helped in the development of many industries like oil refineries, car manufacturing, metal works, etc. So these are all coming. See, now bauxite, this iron ore, lead and all these are what? Metals. Zinc is also a metal. So it is helping in many industries like oil refineries, car manufacturing, metal works, etc. The other important industries are leather works. Leather from where we get? Skin of animals, isn't it? So the other important industries are leather works, textiles, cloths, then plastic, rubber and processed food. Food which is already packed in a processed. That is, these are all the different types of industries present where in Nigeria. So you can understand they get more financial benefits, isn't it? Now coming to people, let us see what is that. This is about the oil refining industry. And here they can see, did you know Nigeria is in United States largest trading partner. Definitely, why? Because so many industries are there. That is why it is one of the largest trading partner for USA. So the USA is the country's largest foreign investor. So because they are going to make a partnership with this USA, what happens? USA is the country's largest foreign investor. So let us see about the people. What are the different types of people? Let us see that. So you see here, Nigeria has about 250 ethnic groups means varieties of groups. Out of that, 68% of the population consists of the Fulanis, Hausas, Yorubas and Igbos. Okay. So these are all the different types of populations we find in Nigeria. So 250 ethnic groups means varieties of people. They have got different groups, communities. So like that there are about 250 communities. Out of that 68% of the population consists of the Fulanis, Hausas, Yorubas and Igbos. They are backward due to lack of education. See, one thing, everything is good there, but education is not to that extent. That is why they are backward due to lack of education. In the southeast, Christianity is the main religion, and in the north, Islam. See, varieties of religions you can see. When you come to Christianity's main religion in north, southeast, and in the north it is Islam, means Muslims. So along with all these people you see Christians and Muslims also. In the central region both Christians and Muslims are found. If you take in the central part you see again a mixture of both Christians and Muslims. That is why they have got different types of people there, and it is said that there are around 250 communities of people living there in Nigeria. Okay. Now let us see, did you know the national sport of Nigeria is football? The national football team is known as Super Eagles. So the main game there is football and they are called as Super Eagles. Then, did you know the Yoruba people date their presence in the modern republics of Nigeria, Benin and Togo and about 8500 BCE, before Common Era. BC is before Common Era. That time itself you have seen that people, the Yoruba people date their presence in the modern republics of Nigeria, Benin and Togo. These are all the different places. They have got the relationship. Do you understand? So now let us see about the important cities. Nigeria is divided into 36 states. Nigeria itself is divided into 36 states and one federal capital territory. Abuja is the capital city. Lagos is the former capital. It is the largest city with a population of over 10 million. Big population it is, 10 million. Abuja, Lagos, Ibadan, Kano, Niger and Kaduna are modern cities and trading centers. Lagos and Harcourt are the chief ports. Ports means where the ships will land and go, that is called as port. So they have got two different big ports there, Lagos and Harcourt. Did you understand? That's about the Nigeria. Now let us recall, Nigeria lies to the north of the equator. The Niger Delta is one of the largest river deltas in the world. Nigeria has a tropical climate. Rainfall decreases towards the north. The natural vegetation consists of evergreen forests, savanna grassland and thorny bushes further north. Agriculture is the main occupation of the Nigerians. Nigeria is the 12th largest producer of petroleum. Nigeria has about 250 ethnic groups. Abuja, Lagos, Ibadan, Kano, Guru and Kaduna are the modern cities and trading centers. So that's about Nigeria. Now let us see some images of that. So this is the map of Nigeria. You can see here, children, see so many different places you can see. Now different states are also present and you can see here Cameroon, the Chad and Niger, Benin, all these things which has come under location. You know about that, isn't it? So these are the different types. Especially I told you about cassava. It is nothing but I said it's a genasu. No? So this is cassava. You can see here. Cassava is cultivated plant for its edible starchy root, which roots is a major source of carbohydrates. So this is called cassava. You can see how it is. Okay. And then definition: woody shrub of the Euphorbiaceae spurge family, native to South America. So all these things you can see. That is about cassava. And I told you about sesame fly, you know. So you can see this is the sesame fly. 5 millimeter mm it is. So small it is, not very big. See. So you can see that. And their famous stadium is what? Football stadium. What are they called? Super Eagles, isn't it? So this is about the football stadium present in Nigeria. So let me stop it here. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.